Hello, and welcome to Gentleman Talk, sponsored by Gentleman Apparel. You can follow Gentleman Apparel on Instagram at wear.gentlemanapparels, or you can find me on Instagram at gentleman_215. Rose collection is out now. Please check out the new website. Purchase some clothes. Alright, so it's been a while. Been about 2 weeks. I skipped a week of my videos, which is a crazy week to skip with the GameStop situation. I did not participate in any of the GameStop or AMC craziness. But our investments are doing good, so no need to be any risky and jump into any of these crazy stocks. I will show you in a minute all of our stock picks from January and how well they're doing, so no need to jump into any GameStop or be risky. Because by the time you get in and you're aware of everything, it's just going to go down. So just take your time and believe in the investments that you already have. So like I said, I'm going to go over my stock picks from January, show you their results or their current results, and then I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on a dip and how to look for the stocks that are on a dip on the FinViz scanner. So let's do it. Okay, so I got my spreadsheet up, put my data in for this week. See, I have both of my scanners picks from the first, basically the second and third week of January, just to prove out that the scanner is definitely working here. As you can see, we got a lot of green, definitely a lot of green down here. We got one that went up 266%. Let's see, LODE. Let's take a look at LODE's chart. And here we go. Oh, let's see, up 417%. We had this back here, so hopefully you got in and you held, didn't sell, because you definitely made a lot of money on this one. Looks like it came back down. Looks like it's selling here around 175. So anytime, anywhere between 175, 142, good buying point. Try to get back in this one. See what else we got on this chart here. Alright, REFR, 36%, INPX. So we definitely got some good ones on this one. Let's look what we got on the next one. WWR, Watt, up 94% is the high, 55 now. These are major numbers here, guys. Anything over 20% is good. And look, we got this and this is what, 1.9, not even a month went by, and we're up 79%, 59%. Alright, we got one here struggling. But looks like it's making its way up a little bit here. SINO, whoa, 356%, 3 times your money. 168% here, all with this scanner. I teach this scanner on the weekends. Contact me if you would like to learn in stocks in general, or I can give you the scanner filters, and I'll give it to you. You gotta pay for it. Sorry. Alright. And $400 for the scanner. I mean, you're gonna make over $400, and it's gonna save you a lot of heartache, especially if you're just started in the stock market. Because I wish I had the scanner before I started. I would save myself a lot of money. It made myself a lot more money, I'll tell you that much. We got RKDA. It should be a good week here for RKDA. 6% still good, but you know, we're used to the big gains here. We do have another straggler here, MICT, but I made a big move from week 4 to week 5 back to get close to where we bought it at. But right now I'm going to show you how to find on the scanner, how to look for stocks that are on the dip, since that's kind of the theme for the last 2 weeks here with everything dropping with the GameStop situation. So this is my basic scanner. I mean, you can do whatever you want here. Under $15, current volume over 300, average over 300. Technical, this is where the good stuff. So you want your price to be below the 200 moving average, and the price to be above above the 50-day moving average. So I already picked out here. You got 5 tabs here. Go through and do your research. I picked out 3 already here for you. Macerich is one. A good reopening play here. Small stock, great dividend. Had a huge jump last week of December. Coming back down to settle. Looks like it's using this 50-day moving average as the floor. Good buying point. Good lesson here too. You want to buy here, or at least closer up here. You don't want to buy when it's kind of far away from the moving averages, like here and here. You don't want to buy here. So if you're thinking about buying and it jumped, you just gotta wait. Just wait. It'll come for you. A couple of days later, a whole week later, 2 weeks later, you got the same price, even better price if you wait. So good learning here. What you want to wait for, you want to buy in. You know, average in. You don't want to put all your money in at one time. Average in throughout a couple of days. You want to look at this MACD, see when this purple line is going to cross back above this, or when it starts getting momentum to cross back above the yellow line. Always make sure that the purple line is above the 0 mark when you buy as well. You don't just want to wait for it to cross because you get some fake outs. Like here, you get a couple of fake outs. It looks like it crossed, but then a fake out. So you want to wait till it breaks right here above the 0 line on the MACD and above the yellow, like here. So if you brought it, like let's say you brought it in between here, like a couple of days after it crossed above the yellow and above the 0 line here, you can just see, boom, you got a nice good jump here. Settles here, look, good dip in between the moving averages, exactly what we're looking for. Good buying point. It crosses above again, and it's above the 0. And look at the nice jump. We're gonna sell here, buy here if you want. I'm not really a fan of that, especially with a Macerich as a dividend stock. But here goes another good buying point in between the 2 averages. So that's Macerich. The next one I like is AQB. This little dip here is just because they have an offering coming up. But you can see major moves in the last couple of months. Nice little dip and buying point. It could dip down into here. So when you buy, just average and be smart when you buy into. Same thing here. You want to wait for this to cross through. Make sure it's above the 0. And my last one of my favorite stocks, SGBX. I can't believe it got really back down to $6. But it's in between $5 and $6. Good buying point, I say. I would definitely put a couple more bucks into this one. I think I got this one back at like $3 or something crazy. So I've been waiting for a good time to get back in. It looks like I'm not gonna get that much. Maybe $5 at the very, very, very least. But we'll see. But those are the stocks that I picked out from this list of stocks on a pullback, as well as our stocks that we picked in the beginning of January, just to prove out that the screener definitely works and you can definitely make some money. So until next time, talk to you later.